Yeah, I think
Yep.
tomorrow.
CPI data is tomorrow. Yep, I believe.
What's going on? We've got the market open here in 3.5 minutes.
Hold on 1 second. Let me
got
answer
Orb
this
Investing on the chat. Listen to what they're thinking. And
all right, so
we're gonna see what today brings.
We'll address this accordingly. So let's look at
Thursday,
SPY over the past
day.
5 days, and then let's just look at some probabilities here.
It probably wants to come down. I would think, anyways. I mean, it's definitely like an uptrend right now, but it failed to break 470 yesterday. So
always in an uptrend, baby.
Yeah. Well, all right.
yeah,
so
I'm not saying long term it's not in an uptrend. I think we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback today.
So let's look at September and just go off of empirical data. So for September, we popped. Okay, we did not pop anywhere near previous highs, which were right. We're getting close to previous highs. We're within $5, right?
Right.
We popped, came down, popped again, and we got rejected at all-time highs right here on this candle. Right, we got rejected, came down that day, retraced it the following, opened up green in pre-market, and then broke through all-time highs the following day. So that being said, we're in a similar position, except we're getting a little bit more resistance, just a little bit, another day of resistance. So between today and Friday, this could be catalyst enough to break. I'm looking at a break of this resistance right here. This pre-market resistance of 472. I don't care about all-time highs yet. I want 472 out of the way first. Okay?
Gotcha.
That being said, that's the previous resistance. Our most recent resistance is pre-market of 471. All right, so we got 471 and then 472. Those are my two resistances. Support, if you want a really tight support, would be 467.5. We break past that, we could be trading into a downtrend back to the base of this channel.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right. I wish I could tell you which way it's going, but I can only tell you what it is that I'm looking for indicators.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, of course. Sawyer, you were asking something. What can I do for you, brother?
Do you think it's a head and shoulders on SPY?
Head and shoulders. Let me see. Let me zoom out a little bit.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. What are those?
Them patterns are fake news. All right, hot take.
Yeah, patterns, like in my opinion, are way more like secondary. Support and resistance and volume is what you should look at the most, I think.
Hot take for you all, and I don't know how highly you guys think of me.
Clayton doesn't do TA.
But I think head and shoulders is one of like the three patterns that I know. I have never given a rat's ass about charting patterns. Sawyer, I'm not coming after you about this, by the way. I just have never utilized them and never cared, never done anything about it. Ooh, little P&L right there. All right. Market's open. Sawyer, where is the head and shoulders? If you could send me a screenshot of what you're looking at, please do. Head, shoulders.
I will say patterns sometimes give you short-term answers, but
Go Costco.
Just individual securities are in favor here. Like, not really going to use a pattern.
Oh, QQQ with a big old green wrench stick. That's beautiful. Damn, SPY ate up that wick.
Microsoft, hello.
Hello, the hell.
About
Oh my God, Microsoft. Jesus, Jimmy.
Yee.
Yee is right.
Making me rethink my 337.5s.
No, live chat. VC mute.
I will take a look at it in 1 second. My
Oh, that's not valid.
I didn't think it was.
Oh, okay, well, thank you, Logan.
Can you explain why, Logan?
Because you broke the neckline already.
Oh, yep, you're right.
Oh my God.
By bouncing off that EMA.
Ooh, go QQQ. Oh my God. Look at that buy volume.
You're looking at QQQ. We're cheering on Microsoft right now.
Dude, Microsoft doing the thing.
What time is it?
Damn, that's
a couple calls in Microsoft, so I'm loving this.
Hey, if you guys have any background noise, please mute yourselves. If you guys want to chat at any time, you're more than welcome on mute to talk about anything. But If you guys got noise or people talking in the background, please mute yourselves.
We're being mean, Clayton.
Bro, Apple's freaking pumping.
Yeah,
Danny,
well.
that's your job, good sir. Oh my God, Apple! See ya later, boo boo. Yo, if you guys, real talk, if you guys are in Apple positions bullish and you FOMO'd into all-time highs, and yes, I will say it's FOMOing, and if you disagree with me, that's okay. We're just gonna have to agree to disagree. If you bought in at all-time highs, all right, and you're not legging out in profit as this thing extends further past all-time highs, you either don't know how to do that or what I'm talking about, or you're being greedy. There's only two scenarios here.
I just sold my Apple contract.
Nice. Beautiful.
Good exit, bro. Good exit.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Good exit.
Beautiful. Huge. Huge.
I fucked up. I got out of Apple yesterday when I got back to even. It's okay though.
There's always another trade.
Correct.
Dude, printing a whole baggie right now.
I want to see if this holds this.
Dude, Spy, come on, do the
line
thing.
here.
Do the thing.
I'm ready to see a break of all-time high today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bitch, I made my bag. Wait, what? You said a break of all-time highs?
Yeah, on SPY. I want to see it.
No check.
That would be a $5 move, my boy.
Yeah, my buy.
All right, man. Hey, if it happens, dude, if SPY breaks all-time highs today, Danny, I will Venmo you for your lunch.
Okay.
Microsoft's making a good move though.
I mean, I'm just saying, it's moved more than $5 in a day before.
To the downside, correct.
Yeah, it's moved more than $10 a day in a day.
Also to the downside.
I'm sure I can find a day where it moved $5 to the upside in a day.
I'm sure we probably could find one in September, Chief.
Yeah.
Facebook could still be a really good play today.
Oh, it's Facebook. Facebook's doing the pumpy 2 right now. Yo, where's AMD at? That's the real talk. AMD. Oh! Baby.
Microsoft 337.
146 and climbing. I'm up $10 a share on my first leg into AMD, boys and girls. Woo! That's $1,000 in 2 days on some equity. You do the backwards math. I have 100 shares. Woo! Bitch, I'm in my bag. Yeah.
Guys moving. Microsoft. will
Wait,
pull
and tell
back.
me I shouldn't pick up 337.5s again for Microsoft because I shouldn't.
All right, you shouldn't.
If you just said you shouldn't, you definitely better not.
Oh, I know what I said.
You better not.
But there's that little
Still
thing in the
moving.
back of my brain that's like, do it.
Cam, don't you make me get the belt.
Don't do it.
Peer pressure.
Don't you make me get the belt, Cam.
I'm gonna go back to writing my paper.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, do it.
That's
Yeah,
probably
go
the
back-
best thing. Thank you.
Wait, do it? Do it?
No, go back to writing your paper.
I
That's
want
the
you,
smartest goddamn thing I've ever heard.
I want you to go make yourself a bagle.
I already did.
All right, beautiful. Good. You deserve it. Dude, Spy's ripping. Danny's about to get lunch. Who?
And who said SPY puts, you bastards? Or wait, sorry, Apple puts. Sorry, Apple.
I did. I said that it was potential.
All right, guys, I want to make a very, very...
Hey, Logan.
Hey.
I want to make a very important point. Guys, if you own equity of companies, we'll specifically talk about Apple. Let's say you've been holding, let's say you have 100 shares of Apple. And I know this won't, address most of you, but if you have 100 shares of Apple and Apple's at all-time highs and you don't want to put money into it to buy puts because you're not sure if it's going to go up or down, I'll tell you exactly what I did. I didn't want to buy a dime of puts because I was not sure how far Apple was going to run. So instead of that, at 175, I bought covered calls. Or no, I sold covered calls. So I got paid to deploy a bearish position. Okay? That being said, I'll tell you exactly what I did. My average cost on Apple on my remaining 300 shares, that's how many I have. I had a lot more, but I've been selling them incrementally for the past year because Apple's been doing very well, and it's had a lot of breakouts. So, I've got 300 left. I sold a So individually per $2 move that Apple's moved up past all-time highs. I sold a June 17th 200 call, got $330 in premium. Sold a June 210 call, got $230 in premium, and then sold a June 220 call and got $200 in premium. So $600, $700 in premium. Mind you, it's a lot. Everything's a lot higher right now, which is okay. But my average cost is 129.8. So if these sell at 200, 210, and 220, I'm gonna make a stupid return this summer on my Apple equity, and I'm completely fine with letting the covered calls sell them if I need to. But let's say we have a 10% correction during that period of time between now and June. We have a 10% correction. I'm going to buy those covered calls back, and then I'm going to wait for Apple to return back up to previous highs, and then I'm going to cover them again. And then wash, rinse, and repeat. Net myself premium, and those covered calls provide me downside protection. Because I can close them when Apple falls and guarantee myself the profit of the covered calls without selling my shares. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. But SPY's doing fine. Well, here's the thing. SPY's nowhere near up as high as its pre-market highs yet, so it has not impressed me yet. It has not impressed me. It needs to sustain this growth and needs to keep running. Oh, VGT out here printing all bang. Sheesh.
Trading would be so boring without you, Clayton.
Dude, Logan, you see my camera?
It would.
Logan, do you see my camera? Logan?
Let me check.
You see my stream?
No, I see cam stream.
Hop in a cam stream and look at my camera.
Okay. Oh my god.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Get him, man.
You're done. You're
done, Clayton.
You're done,
You're
bud.
done.
You're done. You're done, bud.
Clayton, I'm probably gonna buy Lucid calls in a minute.
All
Where's
right.
Tom at?
Where's Alex at? Alex, please banhammer Logan.
Alex in here.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Lucid
Wait, ban who?
Logan.
I hit dingers and you don't.
Chopper made a bay. Yeah. With that shoebox cash.
I want to get it at 41.65. But I don't know if we're gonna go back down there. Yeah,
Bro, I got the perfect covered call on my NVIDIA shares, baby. June 17th, 450 call, which means I'd be making well over 100%. Well over 100%. All right. Not only that, I got $1,300. $1,300 for that premium. That's balling. That's beautiful. Beautiful. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Hey, if you guys haven't yet, go look at the announcement that we put out this morning.
Ooh.
I don't know why there is.
Oh, copy the link.
Where's it at?
Here. Yeah. Oh, wait. Why do I need to
On
copy
the
the link?
announcements.
Yo, Silky. Silky, that's what I'm talking about, baby, you freaking animal. Good lord. Silky, you have made so much freaking progress since you and I started talking about everything, dude. I love it. But since at least, since you and I started talking that I'm aware of. So that is phenomenal, dude. You're moving. Bumping and grinding, my good sir. That is just beautiful. Beautiful.
What are you getting for Lucid, Logan?
300%!
I'm looking at 43 calls or 44 calls on December 17th.
Come on, Spy. Come on, Spy.
Yep. We just got a rejection on the 1 minute. I want to see what we do in the next couple of minutes. I'm just watching right now.
A lot of open interest for, well, not a lot, but a decent amount for 45s.
45s, yeah, I see that. We're about to get a MACD cross bullish on the 1 minute. We might go back down to 41.60. Do it.
Damn. Oh my, bro. This is what Oh, I'm about to just equity trade TQQ and SPY, and that's it. That's it. And then I'm gonna fucking retire on it. Jesus, this is stupid. On shoebox cat.
All right, we're not getting it. I'm entering here.
Ooh. Okay, Logan. Run it up, player.
Guys, got filled. I'm gonna put it in analyst chat.
Okay. All right, folks. If you guys have any questions, I will be here. I'm just going to be hacking away at some transactions, and that is it. I am not going anywhere. Ooh, Silky, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. That's beautiful. Also, good morning, Rez. I see you ripping the chat as always. Good morning, Beast. Is Rez? Good morning. Beautiful, beautiful. I got my good morning from Rez. I'm happy now. Let me throw up my transactions. Do the transactions. That's transactions. Oui, oui.
Is that going to be today's accent? French?
Oh,
Oui, oui.
oui, monsieur. I don't know, dude. I really like the distinguished gentleman.
I do too.
I really like the distinguished gentleman. And if something
I
wild happens
also
today, I'll
enjoy
pull it out. I will pull it out if something good happens today. Damn, this credit card. $4 on eligible gas, including gas at Costco for the first $7,000 per year, and then 1% thereafter. 3% on restaurants and eligible travel purchase worldwide. 2% on all other purchases from Costco or Costco.com. 1% on all other purchases.
I wonder how much cash back I get on my credit card.
My Amex blows this out, but still, this is lit. I really wanted it for the gas and the food. And this Costco card doubled my freaking credit limit. I was shitting myself. I was like, God damn! That's a lot, homie.
That's a lot of damage, potentially.
I have too many credit cards.
That's a lot of damage.
I only have one. Damn.
Of like 8.
Fuck.
I just picked up a second.
If it makes you feel any better.
I think I'm gonna pick up a second, but I haven't.
Makes you feel any better to get through college. I had to open up 12 credit cards and max them out to finish.
Wow.
That was fun. Wow. Credit score went from a 760 to a 510, and now it's back up to a 785. So
no, that's a lot of damage.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that was a ton of damage. It took 2.5 years to fix. It was miserable.
Damn. But you're still an animal.
Sucked massive punani.
Big time.
Just think a couple of Bulls plays would have paid a chunk of one of them off.
I know, right? If I got into any of his doc, anytime he puts Doc U, I think I'm just gonna follow it because clearly he's going off on this.
That's what I need one day.
I can't play Bulls.
He just put Doc U.
I lose too much off.
He played Doc U last night, and then the 90. It was a 160 call, and he just played a 170 call today as well. If you want to, I would highly recommend you check it out before you go into it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go into it yet. Let's check it out.
Ooh.
His 160 calls at a 6-0.
Yeah, that's what I meant. He paid $90 for him.
What's his expiration he's looking at?
The 10th. So this Friday.
Oof. Yeah, I don't know. Bull has his methods, so I won't say anything.
Oh yeah, I'm not knocking the guy.
Bull is an animal.
See, every time he calls in a play, I don't go into it because I'll look at the stock, and usually like 7 out of 10 times, like by the time you look at and buy it, it's at the peak. So if you buy, it's going to go down. You're going to get some red candles. If you follow those red candles and buy a little bit lower, then it usually goes up after, and that's how you can make some quick profit. You're willing to scalp.
That motherfucking guala.
Like right there. There's the red.
Get your guap up.
I'm kicking myself in the nuts about those Apple calls. Fuck.
Again. You're fine.
No, I'm not that pissed. It's just just a moment.
Dude,
that I'm over.
Microsoft just had a fat green candle.
I know, I needed that in my life.
What's up?
I needed that in my life.
Did I hear 337 fives?
I thought you were doing your paper.
Fuck it. Who needs college? Just go in. No, don't do that.
I didn't take them. It's fine.
Eric, for PR reasons, I can't agree with you, but I agree with you.
As much as I would love to back you up, I cannot.
As much as I would love to back you up, because I do back you up, I can't back you up.
One day I'm gonna find somebody in OBR that plays Smite, and we can play Smite together.
I should download Smite.
I
suck
wish you
ass
would,
at it,
so
though.
we can play. I know you're gonna be fucking hot garbage.
Good day for Riot.
That's okay, Danny.
Well, no, you played League and shit, didn't you?
Isn't Smite League?
No,
League is better.
It's MOBA style.
He said League is better. Shut up, made a bear.
Fuck League.
I have
Field
a
of view
meeting.
is trash.
Who wants to go to my meeting in 13 minutes?
Dude, please, Garrett, let me do it.
Oh my god, these people
League
are
is like you
absolute
just
morons.
looking overhead and moving some do it. Like a Smite, you actually feel like you're there moving, doing shit.
Yo, is Logan in here?
Yeah.
Logan, can you check out live chat? I threw a chart in there for Lucid. Curious if you were entertaining that.
Yeah, I don't have the same resistance line, but I have the same support.
Okay. What did you... Oh, you do above Wix, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm always sitting on my ass with a shoebox cash.
Mr. Microsoft, I'm gonna need you to get another green candle.
Yep. Yeah, I'm watching the same thing.
Sawyer, one of these days we'll play Apex again.
Yeah, one of them.
Yo, we could have a little Apex night tonight. Us three. I don't have anything planned tonight.
You say that now.
Yeah, you know, something always comes up.
I make zero plans.
I
just take it as it comes with you, Clayton, because I know the truth.
I do not have anything scheduled or planned for tonight. So.
All right, like I said, you say that now. We'll see when the time comes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We shall. Indubitably. Indubitably, my good sir.
Time comes to commit. Will he be there?
If time presents itself as available this fine evening, entertain your thought of playing the magical game of Apex.
Yeah, Glenn,
what support do you have for your Lucid?
Chop up made a bear.
That's Clayton?
No, you.
Oh. My support is at 4136, and we're bouncing on it right now, so we're going to see what we do here.
Dude, Austin was in so much disbelief. He's like, did you just ask Clayton about Lucid?
Oh, no. Well, my name's Logan, but...
For me, we broke past it.
Wasn't me.
Wait, did I call you Austin?
I'm going to cover my position here.
Did I call you Austin?
Yeah, you did.
Wow, Clayton.
Welcome to my world.
What the fuck? I feel like I can buy you a BMW now, Logan. I don't
You should feel bad, Clayton.
I do feel bad. That was embarrassing. Thoroughly.
It's thoroughly.
I did it twice, Clayton.
That's. I will not make the same mistake again.
You know what, Microsoft, just get me back to a little closer to even, and I will, or a little bit more in the profit, sorry, and I will, I'll leave. I'll leave peacefully.
Like it's not going to break past that, so I don't know if that's going to be a play for tonight.
Chop up me a bear.
Wait, no. If you manage to find a night where nothing comes up, I'm down to play though.
Tonight might be that night, Chief. Honest to goodness, I don't have anything planned for tonight. I don't have any calls. I don't have any work. Danny, I'm doing my work right now so that I am free completely tonight.
Okay.
We play Apex at my house on a daily.
Oh, really?
I heard that I had it happen.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah.
Well, you are absolutely welcome at any time to come play with us.
Yeah, I'll have to send you guys my name.
Chances are you're probably going to carry all of us. Maybe not Danny.
Anyone
Definitely
play
not Danny.
PUBG?
Oh, I used to a lot. And Jocelyn, shoot me your.
The only thing I have on my side is sustainability. I managed to be able to just take care of myself in most situations.
That's all. That's also.
I'm a fucking escape artist.
Also true, dude. That's nuts. You're right. Jocelyn, do me a favor. Shoot me your Apex name over private message.
Sounds good. Yeah, I will.
Perfect.
It's the mouse or keyboard movement, Clayton. That's all it is.
Mr. Microsoft, I need you to do something green.
Dude, I love. Hey Cam.
Yeah.
Bacon sent me a text and he's just like, "Hey, I wanted to hop in the voice chat and talk to you about something." I was like, "Oh, okay. Well, here, just shoot it over text right now because we're chatting. We're chatting a live call." And then he's just like, "Well, it's long and it's something that I want to talk to you about so that we don't have to text back and forth." I was like, "No, it's okay. Throw it in text." And then he sends me a goddamn thesis paper, and I'm like, "Oh, I fucked up. I fucked up."
Smooth.
We're definitely gonna have to talk about this over over a call.
So you made this man type this out for nothing.
Yes, correct. And because I would not even read the text.
Oh, Bacon.
No, that's on me. That's on me 100%. I'll apologize to him.
I hope he just copied and pasted.
I hope this was already previously typed out for something else, and all he had to do was Control C, Control V. If not,
somehow I doubt it.
You owe him lunch.
I owe him something.
Today's the day I kill Microsoft and Bill Gates.
Do it. Fucking do it. You won't. No balls.
I would love to kill Bill Gates. Ever since I saw his character on South Park, man, I just want to blast him.
Wow, that was a hot take.
Yeah, that was very, very,
You've never seen Bill Gates on the South Park episode?
I don't watch South Park.
Oh,
So no.
you would agree with my statement. It's nothing personal. It's just South Park put a sour taste in my mouth with your character now, young man. Oh, the spammers are back, boys and girls. They have my number again.
Yo, is anyone in Tesla puts right now?
Negative.
Bro, I'm up like 30% in like 5 minutes. Holy fuck.
Yeah, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, that bitch is falling.
Yeah, I don't know if I should sell because it's kind of like
Up 30%. Run away.
Apple Flow's coming in hot.
Yeah, I was gonna say 30% in 5 minutes, Chief, dude. Do yourself a favor.
Right.
Or if you have multiple contracts, at least sell like part of it.
Yeah, I've got next
30%,
support at
that's major.
1009. Just so you know, 1009 is next support level for it. She got a lot of room to drop.
Okay, I bought AMD at $136 a share, and that was a good purchase. Spy's below open. God damn it. Yeah,
That
we're gonna
was
probably
not a
get
lot of
started.
damage. That was a lot of healing.
Yeah. My account just went right back down. Son of a biscuit.
Is it time for puts yet?
Well,
Never.
Friday. It's gonna be Friday or Monday. Those are your 2 days.
I'm gonna just go open a put and go take a shower.
I love it. I love gambling.
Just kidding, kids. Don't do that.
I'm joking, dude. I've only ever gambled once. Turned my original investment into like $500, and then killed it all the way down to my original investment and walked away.
Nice.
playing those fucking, I guess it's like slots or whatever.
Yep.
It's like the little machines, and all of them gotta like line up to land on the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it, bro. That was all I've ever done gambling. Minus
My
the
friend's
stock market.
never gambled before, and we were in Vegas for a national college golf tournament, and he just turned 21, and his second pull on the slot machine he hit for $3,000. I was like, you've got to be kidding me. He hasn't gambled since.
Dude, it's how it works.
He took his fucking blessing. and
Yeah,
left.
he literally said, "I'm out." We're like, "What do you mean?" He goes, "I'm out, boys." He took like $200 and like gambled a little bit the rest of the night to have fun, and literally has yet to step back into a casino or bet. I'm like, "You son of a bitch!"
Literally have never stepped in a casino before. That was just machines while I was in Italy that they had at like the little, I think it was like this little restaurant that was on the base or whatever.
Yeah.
And I was like, that was it, bro. That was, I don't even want to step into a fucking casino, dude. I'm not interested.
I don't blame
you.
I played some lottery tickets before, like a couple I've gotten for like holidays from somebody, or I don't even think I've ever even bought one myself.
Remember when the lottery was up to like 2 or 3 billion or whatever the fuck it was, like a couple years ago?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
My friend's an actuary science major, and he spent like, I don't know, close to 20 some odd hours dealing, like coming up with all, like using all the old lottery numbers, coming up with all the different combinations, and he literally was pitching it to investors. Like, if we have $1.5 million, we could buy all these combinations. Nobody would do it. He had the winning combination in his Excel sheet. I mean, he didn't have the money, so I think he dropped like $100 and he just did at random, and one of his, some of his shit, but he ended up having it in his Excel sheet. I was like, that is stupid.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Girl.
That's a lot of damage.
That is a lot of fucking damage.
Honestly, like, that dude's like real, like, uppy, like fun. Like, he was depressed for over a month. Like, straight up depressed.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
That's just what happens, I think, when you realize.
I mean, that's a lot.
Smarter you are than the population.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally the luck of the draw. Like somebody.
Yeah.
It's literally all it is.
I made a bag.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, have fun. I need to go into a meeting that I have no idea what's about, so this should be entertaining.
You take care of yourself, Beast.
Absolutely. We'll be back.
Bye-bye. I made a bag, yeah. What a new buck. All right, well, looks like we're getting some buy volume. Market bounced. SPY's above open
I'm
again.
not even watching it.
Yeah, I'm not really even watching it until 2 seconds ago.
I'm playing League of Legends.
Currently
Yeah.
watching Twitch.
Days like this are boring, but that's okay. And guys, if there's anybody in here who has any questions about anything and I can help you all, I'm just doing transactions, so please feel free to ask away. I am happy to do anything I can for you guys.
I need to quit being a degenerate and decide where I'm gonna sell my SPY at.
Oh.
I entered a trade, Clayton, and didn't know where I was gonna sell out at.
I wasn't going to say anything because I didn't want to embarrass you, but you know better than that.
What is strategy?
Oh, Jesus.
I'm just
I'm
kidding.
gonna sell it all time high. In hopes that we bounce off of it again. I don't like resistances.
Yeah, neither do I. I would say I'd say
I
I'd say
just like
about-
making Clayton feel uncomfortable about
Yeah.
stuff.
Correct.
And that's why I
Yep.
tell him I don't know where I'm gonna sell it at.
Yep. I had a feeling that was bullshit because I know you know better than that. But that being said,
Never know.
What's up?
You never know.
No, I know you like fucking with me, so I don't. You're right.
That's literally all I ever do.
This is correct. Guys, by the way, I'm looking through my transactions. I sold my CRM position that I was talking about with Ayush. It went outside of my rules. Made some money on it. I'm out. PL, blah, 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 PayPal.
Excuse me, question for the group.
Yes, sir, Logan. Yes, sir.
How many pieces of bacon is a good amount of bacon?
3 pieces.
4.
Excuse me, at least 6, bro.
Alright, well, Danny's just fucking with us. Can I get a real answer here?
6? I'm not fucking kidding.
The higher the better.
I'm not fucking gonna sit here and have no 3 pieces of bacon. I'm a grown ass man.
Alright, I'm gonna go 4.
Yeah, 4 is a good healthy medium.
God, tripping, bro.
Y'all is tripping.
Y'all do be
My
tripping.
girlfriend's going off agreeing with you on 6.
Tell your girlfriend
Yes.
she's going. Well, it
In
depends
fact,
on.
you're lucky if I don't literally eat the whole pack with fucking 6 eggs, dude.
Yeah, I'm with that. It's just, yeah, I have love handles as of right now, which I'm trying to get rid of.
Clayton,
so-
that's brekkie.
I know Brecky.
You're not eating that shit before you go to bed.
Right, understood.
I
You
posted
gotta
my
eat like
brekkie
that
the other
before
day.
you eat all that and then you go work out.
I work out first thing in the morning before I do anything.
I posted my
Imagine
brekkie the
how
other
much
day, dude.
stronger you would feel and get if you ate before your workout.
I probably would be, but I don't like. That's the thing. I don't train for strength. Like I don't use heavy weight at all. I train. I train. Yes. What?
Doing single arm rows on a bench with anything over 100-pound dumbbells is lifting heavy weights. Okay. I don't want you to know that.
I do it for 12
They do be
points.
heavy, and I'm a pretty strong individual for my size.
Ego
It's
lifting.
heavy.
It's ego lifting.
But I don't do anything under
It's
10,
only
12
ego
reps.
lifting if you do it with bad form.
I don't do anything under 10, 12 reps, and I can complete the reps perfectly with perfect form. So if that weight's heavy, how heavy is it for 12 reps? You know what I mean?
Danny, I thought it was only ego lifting if you moan when you do it.
There is times that I have moaned on accident, bro, just because it's been heavy.
Hey, moan. What kind of moan are we talking about?
Like, dude, probably a solid like.
Oh, that's not that much, bro.
That's a grunt.
Yeah, I try not to like moan or anything weird, but sometimes I don't know, man. I feel like sometimes I've let out some weird shit. I don't know though.
Probably. We probably all have. Chop made up.
There you go, Rez. I agree, man. It's ego lifting when you either can't lift it or you can't actually rep it with solid form.
With ease.
Damn, Clay, now you got me thinking about eating 6 eggs and a whole pack of bacon.
I mean, 6 eggs are fine. Whole pack of bacon, not so much.
So I've heard this
I'll
6
cut that in
eggs
half.
thing.
Half
quite
of the
well.
pack of bacon.
So 6 eggs. You and Tally both said 6 eggs. When we're talking 6 eggs, do you mean like 3 whole eggs and 3 egg whites, or 6 whole eggs?
6 whole eggs.
You take 6 eggs that came out of a chicken's fucking ass and you crack them and you eat them. There's no way around it.
No cooking.
And then you put that shit in a bowl, right? And then you take the bacon and you cook it a little past fucking where it needs to be so it's a little crispy. And then you break that shit into pieces. And then you put a little bit of fucking cheese on top, shredded cheese on top of that. Mix that whole John together, and bing bada boom! It's the breakfast of champs.
Hold on. I want to hear from the health and fitness consultant, Jocelyn. I saw you unmute yourself.
I was just gonna say something. I would say eggs are actually worse because of the cholesterol, and I personally I would think eating more bacon's better. And that's just my personal
hot
preference.
take.
There's cholesterol in both. That's a hot take.
I know, but usually only 2 eggs are like 2 egg yolks. So I'll have more egg whites personally, but I won't eat as many egg yolks just because that's the part that's bad for you, I guess.
Same for me.
I can agree.
But
I can
egg yolks also have a lot of redeeming qualities, which is why I still have a couple. But I will put in like a shitload of egg whites with the egg yolks.
Yeah, definitely. That's what helps a lot. Yeah.
Fun fact for cooking: I cook the bacon first, and then when I get my eggs, I cook the eggs in just a little bit of the leftover bacon grease.
Yeah,
and they're good to go.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
And then you get some toast. Definitely the wheat. The white's a little on the unhealthy side for you.
Dude, I used to eat nothing but egg whites, and then I just got to the point I just could not do it anymore. And I was like, I'm enjoying the finer things in life.
That smells like bitch to me.
Well, it was after I was still in, and I had done like all of the basic and advanced fitness and nutrition stuff, getting ready to be a forest fitness instructor. And then I decided not to do it. But I was like, I was on one. I was like, oh, I'd be healthier like this. And then I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I like life too much.
I did it for 2 years, yeah, but trick, I started throwing hash browns in them, so I kind of just like make them like scrambled eggs and just kind of mix them with hash browns, kind of give them that kind of good. It's a better taste.
I've been on a like kind of a hash. I've been on a potato kick lately. Like air frying potatoes, I cut up like little mini red potatoes and put that shit in the air fryer. I've been on that lately too.
Danny's a potato.
Danny, all right, Jocelyn, Danny, I've got the hack of all hacks for you all. Do you both have Costco's near you?
No. Well, probably, but I don't go.
I'm gonna be moving to one. Yeah, once I buy a house this next
Clayton,
year.
please tell me you're not talking about the hash browns that are in like the little milk containers.
No.
Okay.
Listen. You take a seasoning, and you can look this up. It's called Buttery Steakhouse. You take that seasoning and you put it in your eggs with your hash browns that are mixed up, and I'm telling you, you will never not look forward to an egg and hash brown meal. That shit slaps the boyo bitch out of me.
Question: how much sooner are my arteries going to clog after that statement?
Dude, no, dude. It's a seasonings, and it's not super high sodium, but you just put a little drizzle on it, and that's it. It's phenomenal. It's potent. It's so.
I'll see if Amazon's got it. So I'll check there.
Hold on, I'm gonna answer that question for you because I'm out. Bitch, I made a bag. Buttery soft leggings for women. That's not what I'm looking for. Hold on. That's not.
Sir, you're on the wrong part of Amazon.
I need Microsoft to do the thing.
Buttery steakhouse seasoning. It's here. It's here for $6.99. Amazon Prime.
There we go. Perfect.
I will send you the link right now. Hold on. Chopper made a bag. Yeah. All right, hold on. And this is the 3-ounce boy. So if you don't like it, you toss it. Also, Davo's in here with the freaking Hunter baby. Gone. I saw you. I don't know if he just left, but I saw him. All right, Jocelyn, where's your damn name? Where'd you go? There you are. Okay, cool. Damn, that's a long link. Sorry.
It's all good.
All right, Danny, let me send this to you. This seasoning is just unreal. I literally Frank's Hot that bitch. I put that shit on everything. So good.
I'll definitely get it today. I'll let you know for sure.
Beautiful. Just a quick little Amazon Prime. Doesn't hurt. Nothing bad. There's a seafood blend, and then there's a garlic blend. And, it's so much better for you than using actual fucking, hard ass butter. So, and that butter seasoning, that shit just excites me in an unprofessional way. Jeez, I can't speak. All right, back to transactions. All right, sold. Wait, what? Oh, credit spread. Wait, what? Did I buy it back? Trouble made a bed. So what's everybody doing today? Somebody give me something to talk about. It's too damn quiet in here.
I got something for you to talk about.
Ooh, okay, do it.
It's just funny though. It's totally irrelevant.
Beautiful.
I'll throw it in VC chat mute. Have you seen that Instagram thing where it's like show your pet with like two eyes and the lip, like the face emoji?
Is this of the upside down dog with the glasses on his balls?
No, it's a no. You'll see. It's coming in now.
All right. Add your animal with the.
Clayton, here's a hot take. Women are just mean, bro.
Oh, save that for any other time.
Any other time.
That is not, Danny. That's not necessarily true. You will end up finding a woman that you love with all your heart.
Don't get started on this with me.
That would never do.
Don't get started on this topic with me.
You and I have dealt with the absolute shit. Okay, the shit of the shit.
Yeah, that's
all
AMC is doing the thing
at this point.
But there are good people out there, Danny. There are on both the male and the female side. You know, there are good people. Unquestionably, you have to find them.
LMAO, Clayton.
I believe it. I believe it. There's no reason to be negative about everything, right? So I believe it. It'll happen. I'm not going to force it, but it'll happen.
Wait and see, huh?
I sure as hell
am not play Apex with the boys and eat good food and go to the gym. That's all I care about. It's the things that make
Yo,
me
what
happy.
are people playing right now?
Are you talking about video games or the stock market? Or both?
The market.
What are people playing?
I am not doing shit. I'm doing transactions right now. I do not care about
I figured you were, Clayton.
this sideways bullshit.
Anybody else? Like, I don't want to do puts, actually, so probably nothing.
Yeah,
I'm in that AMC play.
Like, speaking of good shit like that too, dude, there's a actual butcher shop nearby. I think we were talking about that one day though, that makes like their own seasonings and shit too.
Okay.
Can't wait I need to go up there.
You have my attention, my friend.
I mean, get to pick out all the cuts of meat and shit.
In a shoebox cash.
I'm literally just looking at custom indicators for TOS.
Beautiful. That's hot.
I'm not finding anything I like.
How's your paper coming along?
Well, I got the question I think I'm going to use. I just need to find 20 peer-reviewed articles next.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to go shower before I do that.
That smells like a lot of work to me.
And then I'm going to cry when I start writing, but that's fine.
Yeah, I cry when I do shit I don't want to do either. Or two. Excuse me. Bitch, I made a bad,
If I just go get myself some canes, I'll be fine.
I'm about
Bro,
to go
I love Canes so much.
Who said that? Who was
Day
it?
Tripper.
We're friends.
Dude, the first time I went there, I left like moaning and groaning and moaning and groaning, and my friends had to like roll me out, dude. I was so fat when I walked out of that place.
Oh, it's so
I will
good.
literally have like, I love canes, but I will have the worst stomach ache ever if I eat it.
What is that? What is Cane's? Fill me in.
It's a chicken joint.
Yeah, they literally have just like chicken strips.
It's literally just
Wait, where are you
chicken.
from?
Chicken strip? Where am I
It's
from?
chicken
No,
strips.
who likes Canes? Where are you from?
Ohio.
Ohio,
I'm in
dude.
Texas.
See, you ready for this? I get the one that's on like the East Coast in Massachusetts. There's one in Boston by BU.
Oh my god.
My first time ever having it was in Louisiana, actually.
The first time I had it was in California.
They're everywhere.
I don't think we have them in Florida.
Bro, we
don't.
ain't got shit in Massachusetts. We just
We got
got
one
Chick-fil-A not
Cane's.
that long ago. Like, shit's fucked up.
Dude, the
You know what we do
toast
got?
is so good. And the sauce.
Dude,
We got
We
fluff.
got a Dunkin' on every corner. That's
We
what
have
we
fluff.
got.
replace,
Nobody else has fluff outside of New England.
Bro,
all
I
you
never
gotta
heard
do
of that.
is replace the coleslaw with an extra piece of toast, bro, for free.
Yep.
Coleslaw. I didn't even get any coleslaw.
Yo, hey Danny.
Mm-hmm.
It's that time, boo boo.
Okay. Bet.
What time is it, guys?
Sawyer, it's that time.
Poll time.
Like I saw her. Never mind.
I
I
don't know
hate to
what
be
time it
mean,
is.
but I love you,
All
Sawyer.
time.
I'll cut you a break from being mean to you, soy sauce.
Damn, this poll, bro.
Oh, it's Rocket League time.
Paco!
What's up?
What's up, you animal? How are you?
I just woke up going to class. Tired.
I'm with that. Also, AMD got pooped on. The fuck? The hell happened? Dude, it's taking me everything I've got not to buy another 100 shares of AMD right now. I really fucking want to. Really bad. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. I don't care. I'm doing it. I don't care. Don't care.
Don't do it.
Why not? Tell me why not.
It's almost at highs.
It's nowhere
That
near
goes
highs.
against what you teach, bro.
It is $17 away from highs, and I have a $200 price target, and these are shares.
Okay.
I'm in a game of League right now. I'll join you guys after.
But, Nick, you're absolutely right. It is still fairly high.
Wait,
and
actually, now that I'm curious, because I might throw some equity in AMD as well, actually, because I sold half of mine recently.
All right. Well,
when would you do covered?
Say that again?
When would you do covered calls?
Once it gets back up to 160 and some change.
160. Okay, and then what would you do for the put on that? You do 200 or something?
No puts. There's no puts. What do you mean?
Or covered calls is selling the call at 200. I mean.
Yeah. So I would sell a. Well, no. So I would wait till it gets over 160, which is right around all-time highs, and then I would cover it way out for like $250 a share. Strike.
Dang, that high? Just for. Do you get more or less premium at a smaller strike price?
What do you mean a smaller strike?
So, like, if you did like a 200 strike, would you get more premium than doing a 250 strike?
I'm sorry. Say that one more time. My brain. I'm sorry.
So, like, you said you're going to sell the 250 strike call, right?
Yeah. So the higher you go, the further you go out of the money, the less premium you get.
The less premium, okay. But
Yeah.
then the less chance you have of getting assigned, though, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
But that's why I go so far out. Like, for example, I'll give you a perfect example. So right now,
And you ride that all the way out until expiration, or can you like get rid of them earlier?
Why do I not? Oh, sorry. No, I can. So here's what I do. This is my comprehensive strategy for how I handle my shares.
Hang on. Let me take notes on this.
Oh, Lord, spitting free game, folks. Anyways, so I went over this last night with Jay Dunn. I don't know, Nick, if you were in the IG live last night, but I went over this with Jay Dunn. So for covered calls, what you can do for the downside is if you cover your position at all-time highs.
Ooh, I'm
and
joining you
for
guys.
example, I'm gonna run through this for you like I would be doing it right now. So I go out to June 17th of 2022. And my price target for these shares, because I want to make let's see, okay, hold on. So if I did 140 divided by, it's 143, I got it at 143 divided by 250.
I also don't have 14 grand. I'm just curious how you do this.
That's okay. So if I do 200, so I would want 50% return in the next 6 months if I were to let these shares go. So 50%.
Wait. How do you calculate the 50%?
It's based on what I want and how my average costs go.
No. Like what are you looking at premium wise to know?
Well, the 50% is on the share price. So I took 143, and I divided it by my hypothetical strike price that I would sell, which was 250, and that gave me a 57, which means I want 50 even, so I can go a little higher. So now I'm going to divide 143 by, let's do 240. 240. All right. That is a 50. I'm sorry. I'm going the wrong way. So that was a 57. That was a 43%. Okay, so 250 would be there about correct for what I want. So I would come in and I would sell one covered call. So I would sell the 250 call for June 17th. I'd bring it down to 1. I would start moving the price up for this limit until I got to all-time highs, or right around. I want to do 160 just to protect myself. So I'm going to keep moving this bad boy up until it says expected AMD price 160. Okay, I'm at 160. So the premium I would get if I get filled at 160 would be $3.70 for the 250 strike all the way out to June. Now I could hike this up more and do. I could do $200 a share if I wanted to, since I'm getting in at 136. That would be a. Oh, that would be a. Actually, you know what? I have the other one covered. I'll cover the other one out far, but this increment I want more premium in case this thing doesn't move. All right, so I'm gonna actually go to the $200 strike for this one. Set a limit sell. Let me yank this thing down to 1. Also, Sawyer and Danny, I'll be in there in 2 seconds. I'm going to yank this thing down to 1. I'm going to rip it up all the way to 160 again. So that means I would get...
So, here's my question with that. So, like, if you're going to get rid of it at, like, probably the high, which is 160, right? There's no chance of it going to 200 because you're going to get rid of it at 160. Why not just get the 200 instead of getting the 250 one?
Who said I was getting rid of it at 160?
No, I just... I don't even know what to say about that. So, like, you said highs, though, right? You, like, dip out at highs.
No. I said I'm covering my shares. My covered call is going in, is deployed at 160.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So that was just miscommunication. My covered call will be filled when AMD gets to $160 strike price.
Gotcha. So, okay, you're buying equity now, and then you can call... Okay,
yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. So Thinkorswim allows me to choose a premium for the $200 call for June 17th, and I can run the premium up, and it shows me the expected share price upon receiving that premium. So I'd get $9.50, almost $1,000, once we get back up to 160. And I'm going to good till cancel that limit sell. I'm going to confirm and send it, and I'm going to leave it alone.
Oh, you actually put the order now before it gets to the 160?
Correct. So I don't have to deal with it later.
Okay, because is it hard to fill when you get to that 160 mark?
Nope, I'm just doing it now, so I don't have to do it later.
Okay.
And I could be so bold as to say, well, I'm just going to leave the other one uncovered in case this thing rips. Actually, you know what? In case it doesn't rip. Oh my god, that's a lot of selling. That's a lot of damage. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cover the other one just in case the market falls, and if it doesn't work, whoa, what did I do? Hold on, 1 second. I'm going to cover the other one for the 220. No, I'm going to do the 210 strike because the other one's $100. No, the other one's 136. So I'm going to do the 210 strike. Fuck it. Let's do the 220. 220 strike. I'm going to cover that one right now for downward protection on this position. Cover that bitch and that in.
Where'd you get the $1,000 number from? Because I see 250 calls at like 213 for June 17th.
So that is the